You know, there's a lot of talk in the news about death fridges. And you know what they are? The silent killer. Up to no good, hiding in your corner of your kitchen, holding your food, waiting. It's bad news. It got me thinking that you guys probably want to check out my fridge and its insides too. And while I personally haven't died today, I did die a little inside. It was that goddamn Geometry Wars. Like, I was like making my way, shooting my way to my point achievement, so I could feel good about myself and be like, haha, to people online. But then the flies were coming from all the corners, being like, and then there was like, and I'm like shooting them all, and I'm like, you can't get me, you can't touch this. Was one of those goddamn little pink square motherfuckers that's like, you think you're done when you shoot the large pink square, but it's like, no, you shoot them once and it's like three little ones that are really hard to hit, and then you're like, oh, there you go, you're like flying past a black hole and you're like, I'm gonna live, I'm gonna make it, it's gonna be awesome. Fucking pink square. But don't worry about me too much, because one of these days I will have my point achievement. Just gotta hold on. And anyway, enough about my death in pixelated form. We're here for my fridge today, so come check this out. So yeah, this is my fridge. It's all fridge-like. Take a look in here. See all my food. Well, all my roommates' food. Oh, look at that. That's my ketchup. Let's see what else I got. That's my roommates. Aha! Well, that's my roommate's Mountain Dew. But, oh. So, yeah. That was my fridge. And, well, this is my roommate's soda. Let's just keep this between you and me, Internet. Alright. You seen my death fridge? I hoped you survived, because Lord knows I did, to drink a soda.